Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. So I am just on my way to Megan's and we're going to the gym. I'm not really sure what we're doing today in the gym, but I'm going to try and film some. That's why I've brought my camera today. So I'm now at Megan's. We've been sitting outside for a while. We didn't end up going to the gym because it's actually closed and the opening times that we got told were wrong. So it's still only afternoon at the gym that's like really local to us, so we'd have to go to the big gym, and neither me and Megan have the car today, so we're going to have to wait until later to go. So yeah, we've literally just been chilling out in the sun for a bit. We're just going to watch some stuff on Megan's laptop. I do need to go home later though to just sort some bits out for uni. Well, not for uni, but to fill out them forms that I was talking about in yesterday's vlog. I hope everyone's had a good start to the week. We obviously had a massive fail, so nothing new here.
Hello? Hello?
Being a pussy.
He's so cute. He's getting excited. Yeah, that'll be funny because you can actually chase him with it. He'll love it.
He loves a pool party. Arlo loves a pool party.
He's cute. You're a joke.
Hey guys, so I've been back at mine for a while. I think I've caught the sun because my cheeks are super red, but I've just like done my skincare, so hopefully it soothes it and makes it look a little bit better. But I've just been at home. I've been filming some videos that are going up on this channel. If you do want to go check out my UCAS journey, my university application process, then go to the previous video because that should have been up yesterday or the day before maybe. I've also been trying to sort out my hair appointment, and I feel like I don't think I've left it to the last minute because I have been messaging over the past few weeks, but I haven't found a salon that's going to be able to do my hair, like my balayage, before I go on holiday, I don't think, which is so gutting, but it's not really the worst thing that's going on right now, so I'm just going to probably have to wait until I come back, and it'll probably be better for me anyway because I'll have the money to actually do it then, whereas right now I haven't actually got paid, so yeah, I'll just have to wait, which is annoying, but I just thought I'd be able to show the hair transformation a little bit sooner. I've been speaking to a lot of different like salons and companies near me that do it, and the balayage will take about 3 hours, and I'm working so much all the way up till I go to holiday. 2 days before we go on holiday, me and Aiden are going to Southend as well because we're going to see Darren Brown. So yeah, I'm really busy all up until my holiday, so there's only like a tiny little gaps where I can fit things in, which is unfortunate that there are no like appointments available. So yeah, I guess I should have just done it even more in advance, and it's my fault. So yeah, I also really want to go get my eyebrows done, so I should be able to fit that in at least, and that'll make me feel a little bit better before I go on holiday. I feel like I need to go and sit out in the sun this evening, so I have like a nice layer of tan before I go on holiday, because I've just looked and the weather in Greece, in Kefalonia, the area that we're going to, it says that Scala has an average of 30 degrees Celsius in July throughout the whole entire month, so it's going to be very hot. Take two, me and Megan are going to the gym now that it's actually open. We're not going to like the big main one, which is why I thought I'd take my camera. Fingers crossed it's not packed. I'm thinking because it's hot, maybe there's not going to be as many people at the gym because people won't want to go. Hopefully I can film some of what I do today. I might not be able to film like a full workout routine, but you might get to have a little bit of an insight on what we're doing. It is cardio day. I hate my life. Cardio is my like least favourite day. My favourite is legs, just because my legs are like my strongest like part of my body, so my legs can like take it, whereas I'm not great at like long distance or anything like that requires a lot of cardiovascular endurance. So yeah, I'm not looking forward to today, so we'll probably be spending quite a lot of the time on the treadmills, the rowing machines, the cross trainers, all the things that keeps our heart beating fast. So at least it's nothing too technical, because I don't want people to start shouting at me if I'm not doing things the right way or if my posture's a bit dodgy. That's why I've sort of been avoiding it. And obviously I'll try and just focus on me. I don't want to like show Megan because she probably doesn't want to be like filmed while she's working out, but yeah, I just thought I'd try and film a bit today because I've been getting quite a lot of questions and you guys want to see what I've been doing at the gym. Let's go! And if you thought earlier I looked red, this is what I look like now after I've just finished the gym. I know this is really disappointing, but We just had a cardio session and the gym was so busy. I think it's because it's a Monday, I'm not really sure. I'm sorry you have to see me like this with all this sweat. But this is what I look like after the gym. We did a cardio workout for about 35-40 minutes. We follow Grace Fit's 30-minute fat burner cardio workout that she does on the treadmill, and oh my god, like, it has me dripping. I'll leave the link down below in case anyone else wants to try it out. But I promise you that I will film my workout very soon, like I've just promised it. So maybe tomorrow, me and Megan are going to go tomorrow, and fingers crossed we'll be able to film something if no one's there, or we'll be able to like prop it. But to be honest, in where we were doing the treadmill stuff, I literally couldn't have put the camera anywhere around us without someone treading on it or being like, what the fuck, why have you got a massive camera on a tripod? I promise I will get some footage at some point. Hey guys, so I seriously apologise for not speaking to you last night after I finished the gym. I literally got in the shower, watched Love Island, which actually for once was really good, and I'm really excited for tonight's episode. I've watched the little first look video and it looks like Megan's going for Wes, so I'm excited for the drama. Feel bad obviously because I don't like when people's feelings are messed with, but at least it's making for good TV now. Oops. But yeah, I didn't end the vlog because I literally fell asleep, and now I've just finished work. I've been working for about 11 hours today. I couldn't film in the gym like I said because there would have been people in the background and it wouldn't really be right for me to be filming, so I decided not to. However, me and Megan are going to do legs today at the gym, and fingers crossed there's no one there. I just really want to show you guys a little bit of our workout. Not like a whole full-on routine, but just so you can have a bit of an insight into what I'm doing in the gym at the moment, like my favourite exercises and things like that. So we're working on our bum and legs today, and hopefully I'll be able to show you. Just got back to this. It's so heavy. I just thought I'd open it with you. I know that it's from Immediate PR, and I knew they were sending me loads of Herbalife goodies. You will have seen me talk about these before at uni if you've been watching me for a while. I use their like protein shakes all the time. I also really love their little protein vanilla and almond bars. They're literally my favourite, and whenever I crave chocolate I always go for them if I have them on me. And basically they're launching like a new fitness campaign with an athlete. I'm pretty sure he's an athlete. They told me that they were sending me a hoodie, a t-shirt and some other bits and bobs that he uses on his fitness plan. And they're basically challenging me to this like 21-day fitness plan challenge. And they thought they'd send me some things over to like help me with it. And yeah, I don't really know what's in here, but let's give it a go. Oh, that's so cool. So they've sent me a long sleeved, which is going to be so hot in this weather, a long sleeved bright neon pink like fitness sort of top, and it has Herbalife nutrition on the back in little white font, and it's got like a little hood as well. And then we have that's the little hoodie I'm guessing, and then this is the little t-shirt, again this like bright reddy pink colour in a size medium. It has Herbalife nutrition and Niall Wilson, that's the guy that I was talking about, his name's Niall Wilson. And yeah, I just really like that. It's a really nice top, and I need new gym stuff badly, so that's really going to help. Oh my god. You can literally see, I can see my favourite bars. They've sent them over again. So my favourite vanilla and almond protein bars. I think there's 14 bars here. And then they've also sent another one of their flavours that I have not tried before, and it's their chocolate and peanuts one. So this is probably going to be my new favourite, I have a feeling, because chocolate and peanuts are my, like, two fave things. So thank you very much to Herbalife. They've also sent me over some of their Hydrate calorie-free electrolyte drink for athletes, nutritional support for the 24-hour athletes, orange flavour. And so you mix these little sachets with water, and it makes your own sort of energy drink. So I'm excited to try that, and I'll take that to the gym with me. Jesus Christ, there's so many things in here. They've also sent me over some of that electrolyte drink, but this is the acai berry flavour. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I've had this flavour before, and I really liked it, so I'm excited to have some more of this. I also have even more of this vanilla protein powder, which I'm obsessed with, so thank you very much again. I really need some of this, and I'll be having a protein shake later when I get back from the gym. They've sent over a Herbalife bottle, which is going to be good for the energy drinks, and taking that to the gym with me. And then, we've got another little shaker, so this is one of the little protein shakers. So we've got a Rebuild Strength Recovery Drink Mix Powder with added L-glutamine and BCAAs for strength athletes. So this is to help rebuild muscles. It's chocolate flavoured. I've never tried this before, so I'm very excited about that, and it's huge. It is 1,000 grams. So Very excited about that. A whole kilo. And it says, Rebuild Strength is developed by experts in sports nutrition. This unique carbohydrate protein recovery drink is designed for use after anaerobic exercise. Contains 25 grams of protein that contributes to the growth and maintenance of muscle mass. And it also has iron in. And yeah, you just mix this with water, it says. Buzzing. I'm so excited about this. So thank you very much to Herbalife for sending all of these things over. I was not expecting this many things at all. So thank you. And I will be trying these out after and before I go to the gym, and I'll let you guys know what I think, if I like the flavours and if I'd recommend anything to you. But yeah, I'm not going to say anything just yet, although this is my favourite protein powder by far, like over any other that I've tried before, which is just the vanilla like shake powder, and also these vanilla almond bars were my favourite, like I said before. But I'm excited to try these chocolate peanut ones. So yeah, very excited. Thanks for all the fitness stuff. Just did like a mini leg workout. Whoa, the sweat on my face, that's grim. Me and Megan just did a little mini leg workout. And we're just going back to Megan's. We're going to watch Love Island, going to make a protein shake, going to eat a protein bar. Life's good. And then we have to wake up at 5 o'clock. Again. Yay! Right, so I am now home. I need to sort myself out because this is not nice, this situation. I need to do my skincare routine. But I thought I would end the vlog here. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry we didn't do like a really intense fitness routine. We've obviously been working for like 11-12 hours today, so didn't obviously do as much as we usually do at the gym, but I've still put a couple of clips in anyway. Before I showed us, we only managed to film the leg press and us doing the weights because the cross trainer, we start off doing the cross trainer to warm up and there was nowhere to put the camera, so that's what we did at the beginning. We did like a 5-minute warm up on the cross trainer and then went on to the leg press. I really hope you enjoyed that part of the vlog, and I'm going to try and do that more in the future. I'm going to take my camera to the gym so you can see what I do, because I feel a little bit more confident now in what I'm doing. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. Make sure to hit thumbs up if you did enjoy, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you very soon for a brand new video. After this day I'm working 4 days in a row, so I don't really know when you're going to see this vlog. But the next day I should be vlogging is Sunday, which should be exciting. I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I'll probably just be chilling with my boyfriend, which will be really nice because I haven't seen him in absolutely ages, or what seems like ages. And I'm literally so excited to just be reunited with him and get to spend a lot of time with him in summer, because I've obviously missed out a lot this whole year, and it'll just be so nice. I bet it's gonna fly past though, but I need to make the most of it, and I'm obviously excited for our holiday, which is so soon. I also ordered the rest of my clothes for my second holiday haul, which should be going up next week, just before I go on holiday. So fingers crossed all the bits that come are nice, because then I will literally have completed my entire holiday shop and I can actually get like packing or getting some stuff sorted, like outfits and everything. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.